Hi, this is John Owens. I'm at Clegg Street in Petaluma. It's our new business operation location. It's great to be operating out of Petaluma. Our territory goes from Healdsburg to Sausalito, and we're in the dead center. It's a great facility. Let me show you around. Today's Friday, so if you're an installer, you only work a 4-day week, 4 10-hour days. So today we've got a whole bunch of installs parked up. Of course, our installers this weekend are going to get a 4-day weekend. Hi, the front lobby. Here we come into the lobby.
I don't know what happened. What I could do is I can throw a
This is the install department
and then we can go
up front. This is the warehouse and parts department in this room. Going through our call center. And heading up to the second floor. Bookkeeping and payroll. This is my office on the left. The marketing and the sales department. This is Dee Dee, our office manager. On the left over here we have some sales, and we also have the permit and HERS department. And on the left side we have another sales office. Moving into the warehouse, this is our parts department, which is in really good shape, very well organized. We carry everything for us. Everything that's in our service trucks is in this parts cage. Over here we have our training room. This is a fantastic facility. We have 3 to 5 meetings every week. This is the best part of this building. Over on the left here we have our, this is our service technician restock department. We have a receiving area from all the UPS and all the small vendors. In the center portion of this part of the warehouse, this is our staging area. So all of our jobs are staged, ready to go. We're putting 3 or 4 jobs together for Tuesday. Extra inventory above. We are so busy right now, we don't even have enough warehouse space to put all of our equipment. It comes in so fast and goes out so fast. And we carry a full line of HVAC supplies. The only thing we need on a daily basis is our equipment. Super smooth operation. We've got a third of the warehouse here that at the moment is not currently utilized. We will expand into this. Maybe we'll have our indoor air quality division, or duct insulation, or attic insulation department in this part of the building. We're always constantly busy at John Owens Services. We operate under 5 contractors' licenses. We're HVAC, plumbing, electrical, boilers, and general contracting. If any part of the business slows down, we always have plumbing, water heaters, boilers to keep us busy. We never slow down at John Owens Services. We're advertising heat pump water heaters. This is the way of the future. We do a lot of times we do one heat pump water heater a day. Energy rebates are fantastic on these. We've been doing them for 5 or 6 years. We're definitely the largest heat pump water heater supplier in the North Bay.